The second question is exciting. I love this question. Tammy is asking, what way to build your email list? The best way to build your email list is a viral sweepstakes. You acquire a viral sweepstakes software, you set up a viral sweepstakes in it, and you distribute your sweepstakes across the web. And so you advertise for it organically and maybe even drive traffic to it with ads. Every person from our experience who joins our sweepstakes brings about 1.5 to 2 friends with her. So people are bringing friends, they're sharing to get more entry points, and you are getting more exposure and more emails with a viral sweepstakes. Please find the link to the best sweepstakes software that we are using in the description to this video. If you get this software using my affiliate link, I will add you to our viral sweepstakes Facebook group, where you can ask all the questions about the viral sweepstakes, how to set them up, and any questions that you may have there, and where I give you the introduction on how to set up and how to advertise for your viral sweepstakes.